To begin using the distance learning platform, you first must authenticate through the EMC Education Labs. The URL is at the top. Enter your username and your FOB code and password. Choose the standard sign-on and continue to be authenticated through the firewall. Next, we're going to log into the distance learning platform itself. We're using a standard IP address of 10.127.94.61. Select the login option in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and in the username, enter the username that has been sent to you and password. The login will now be authenticated against the internally created accounts that we've created for you as part of this test. We're logged in using my administrator account, and we can see several courses. Those in gray are not available. Those in blue are available and assigned to you. You also may use the navigation on the right-hand side to view courses that have been assigned to your account. In this case, again, the blue indicates those courses that are available. All of these hyperlinks will allow us to view information or to begin the course. So we launch our Viper implementation. Here we see the news forums, which is general information, the water cooler, which will be used for how-to-dos within the course. The discussion forum will be part of how we work within our assignments, as well as the wiki and glossary interfaces. As you scroll down, you're now able to view the various sessions, which for our purposes will be 1 week in length. The first is indicated by a blue outline, which indicates the currently active week that we're working with. But you may scroll down and view the others. So now let's open up session 1. For this demonstration, we want to view exactly the same material that you'll be seeing. Material that you can read, an introduction lecture presented by your instructor, and then the assigned readings. Like most of our courses, you have a PowerPoint note annotated content, which is our session PDF, but we also have included things such as websites, white papers, etc. Session videos are also provided. In this case, we have several videos that you may view. One is assigned, the others are optional. Next are session projects. In this case, we see the glossary. You may immediately enter the glossary by selecting the hyperlink, but be aware that all assignments are due by a particular time. We are using the Eastern Standard Time so to synchronize all assignments. We also have multi-session projects. This being the first session, we're going to have a group project where each of you will be assigned a particular group to build a wiki page. This wiki page, as described here, will have you create a particular set of information based upon your group's identity, and this should be posted in the middle of our second session. Each session also includes a discussion where material that you've read and viewed through our videos is now going to be discussed by you in our discussion forum. We limit you to 250 words. Please try and stay close to that so that we all have a chance to be able to read this within a reasonable period of time. Thursday evenings are the due dates for the discussions. After this, we ask you to provide 2 posts to others in your group and praise them or question them. Finally, session labs include external tools or videos of the labs taking place. You can advance to the next session by merely clicking at the bottom or returning to our breadcrumbs at the top of the screen and working from there. As you can see, each session is very similar to the other. Now let's take a look and how to work with our forums, which is our primary way of communication. We'll start with a look at entering something in our water cooler. You enter the discussion group. At this point, there are no information, so we're going to add a new discussion topic. You may either add a new or reply, and we'll follow both of those here. A new discussion topic you begin. You give a subject matter that will attract the audience's attention, and then in the message you may place text, links, graphics, the other media may all be assigned within the body of the message. You can see the toolbar here allows you now to insert all of those things as you would in a standard HTML styled page. The water cooler is meant for discussion between the instructor and the students so that we can answer questions about the platform, but not specific questions about the technology. That should be addressed in the discussion forums. We can scroll down now, and here again you can see other options. I could have this email you information. I've already entered your EMC email into your user account, but please verify that I have the correct one for you, or if you wish to change it. You can drag and drop and then finally post it. You have 30 minutes to make changes as the owner of this post. To view it, all I need to do is to select the discussion I wish to view. I can read it. In my case, I can edit it as I just created it. Or I can reply, and this is how you'll perform the second part of your weekly discussions. You can here give the reply, response. You can add material that explains what you're seeing, or maybe an outtake of a PDF that you found very useful. Once we post it, we now have, again, a standard discussion styled format with the lead and the replies listed underneath. Thanks for taking a look at this distance learning presentation.